Hi guys, it's me, just popping on to say hello and check in on everybody. And most of all, because I wanted to share with you that I'm offering some free stuff over the next 2 weeks. So from now until the end of May, that's May 31st, I will be offering some of my services for free. So if you've been wanting to try them out and finances have been tight for you over the past few months, like I know they have been for me, so I completely understand, but I am just dying to work and get my work out there and communicate and help you again. So thank you so much to everybody who's been continuing to use my services during this time. I am eternally grateful to you, but I have been wanting to give out a little bit more. So 2 of my services I'm going to be offering for free for the next 2 weeks. The first thing I'm going to be offering is my customized recipe collections. So you've probably heard me talk about these before, but basically what we'll be doing is sitting down for an hour for free, and we are going to do a complete dietary assessment that goes over foods you like, foods you don't like, and then more detailed, like what cuisines you prefer and what allergens you're trying to avoid, or maybe you're trying to lose weight, or maybe you want to try keto, or maybe your doctor or nutritionist gave you a list of things you can't eat and you have no idea how to cook for yourself now. These are all things plus more that we look at together, and I will create 20 customized recipes designed 100% for you. So you'll get a digital copy via email at the end of the session, where you'll get the 20 recipes, and every single page you turn is going to be a recipe that aligns with your diet, aligns with your lifestyle. We'll also be talking about how much time you actually have to cook, whether it's 10 minutes or like 10 minutes a day or 3 hours on a Sunday, whatever it is, they can be catered to your lifestyle. So that is the first thing I'm going to be offering. The second thing is my customized weekly meal plan. So this will be the same deal as the customized recipe booklet. We will sit down together for an hour and go through all those things. And then this time, instead of giving you a collection of recipes, I'll be giving you a complete meal plan for the entire week. So you'll have breakfast, lunch, dinner, and snacks for 7 days of the week. And like I said, it'll be completely catered to your diet, to your lifestyle, your health goals, your health challenges, or it could even be for your family. 2 things, customized recipe book and a customized meal plan. Both come with a 1-hour consultation with me. This is all for free, and this is all delivered digitally, so no contact, and our sessions can be done over Zoom, which I think most of the world has at this point. I am taking bookings starting right now, and this goes through the end of May. So we have 2 weeks to sit down and get to know each other and get you on the right track. I've been thinking about people in the world right now. We're starting to reopen, and people might be kind of coming out of their holes a little bit more, showing up into the world. Maybe some people are going back to their busy work schedules depending on where you work. And you know, I'm just thinking about my clients who are ready to show up in a different way. They want to kind of nix the bad habits and show up with healthier habits. So before you go out into the world, now is the time to get these habits on lock. So I would love to help you for free. You can book a consult with me through Facebook Messenger, on Instagram, or my email, which is acastrino@gmail.com. That's acastrigno@gmail.com. And if you're interested in any of the other work that I'm doing, you can check out my website, mealprepchefnh, as in New Hampshire.com. I love you guys. I hope you're all doing well, and I hope to see some of your faces really soon.